Basecamp offers a solid foundation for project management, particularly for teams that prioritize communication, collaboration, and simplicity. Its user-friendly interface and flat-rate pricing make it an attractive option for many. However, for projects demanding advanced planning, scheduling, reporting, and customization, teams might need to look towards more specialized project management software. Ultimately, the decision of whether Basecamp is good for your project management hinges on a careful assessment of your team's needs, project complexity, and budget. By understanding Basecamp's strengths and limitations, you can make an informed choice that sets your projects up for success. Remember, the best tool is the one that empowers your team to work effectively and achieve your project goals. Basecamp might be a good fit for your project if your projects are relatively simple and don't require complex dependencies or critical path management. If your projects involve straightforward tasks and clear responsibilities, Basecamp's simplicity can be a significant advantage. Effective communication and collaboration are your top priorities. Basecamp excels at providing a central hub for team interaction and information sharing. You are looking for an easy-to-use and intuitive platform that requires minimal training. Basecamp's user-friendly interface makes it accessible to team members with varying levels of technical expertise. You prefer a flat organizational structure over hierarchical project breakdowns. Basecamp's project-centric approach works well for teams that operate with a high degree of autonomy within projects. You need a cost-effective solution, especially for smaller teams or organizations. Basecamp's pricing model, which charges a flat fee regardless of the number of users, can be very attractive. However, Basecamp might not be the ideal choice if your projects are highly complex and require intricate task dependencies, resource management, and critical path analysis. Basecamp lacks the advanced planning and scheduling features needed for such projects. You need detailed reporting and analytics on project progress, team performance, or resource utilization. Basecamp's reporting capabilities are relatively basic. You require robust time tracking and billing features. While Basecamp integrates with some time tracking tools, it doesn't have these functionalities built in. You need extensive customization options and integrations with a wide range of other business tools. Basecamp's ecosystem of integrations is more limited compared to some other project management platforms. You work with external clients who need granular access and specific permissions within your project management system. Basecamp's client access features are somewhat limited,